Good morning everybody, myself Hitesh. I am taking today's seminar on the topic commercializing your app. So these will be the contents I will be going through: the security, performance, application level security, using permissions, designing for performance and references. So first I will be going through security. So introduction to app security is the first. Security is a paramount concern in the app development. Apps that fail to prioritize security are susceptible to data breaches, which can lead to severe consequences, including loss of user trust, legal ramifications, and financial loss. So, threats and vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, insecure authentication must be addressed to protect both your app and your users. Next one is secure coding practices. Secure coding practices involve techniques to identify and mitigate the vulnerabilities in your code. That means it includes the conducting regular code reviews, and we should automate the tools to track issues early in the development, and we should follow the secure coding guidelines. And the examples of the best practice is the including of the validation, escaping output, and parameterized queries to prevent the SQL injection. The next one is the data encryption. It is the main thing in security. The data encryption is the ensuring of the sensitive information that is protected from the unauthorized access. Data should be encrypted both at the rest, meaning when stored on a device or server, and in transit, as it travels over the networks. Encryption algorithms like advanced encryption standard for the data at the rest and the SSL and TLS for data in transit are commonly used to provide the protection for this. And the next one is the authentication and the authorization. Authentication verifies the identity of a user, while authorization means that it determines what the action or resources a user is allowed to access. Implementing a secure authentication methods like authorization or JWT tokens is crucial for ensuring that users who are they are claimed to be. Authorization, often based on the roles or permissions, ensures that users can only access what they are entitled to, reducing the risk of unauthorized actions. And the next thing is the performance. This is the next part of the security. The first thing we will be going through is the performance optimization. An app performance directly impacts user satisfaction. Profiling and benchmarking help identify the areas where your app may be sluggish or unresponsive. Continual monitoring and performance improvement are essential for maintaining a smooth user experience. And the next one is caching strategies. Caching involves the storing frequently accessed data to reduce the time it takes to fetch the data again. The effective use of caching can significantly improve your app's speed. Network optimization. To enhance performance, it is important to reduce the number of network requests made by app. Two techniques such as data compression, image optimization, content delivery network can help. Efficient use of API and app minimizing the data transfer by only requesting necessary data are essential for optimizing network performance. And the next one is application level security, and it is also the most important program. And the first one is application security framework. Implementing a comprehensive security framework ensures that the security is integrated into the development process from the start. This framework should include the regular security assessment, vulnerability scanning, and secure coding practice. Common vulnerabilities like injection attacks, broken authentication, and security misconfiguration should be actively addressed here. Secure data storage. Protecting sensitive data stored on devices involves the encryption and secure storage mechanisms. Data encryption ensures that even if an attacker gains access to the storage medium, data remains unreadable without proper decryption key. The secure storage mechanism include keychain services on iOS and keystore on Android and add an additional layer of security. Secure communication. Secure communication with backend servers is vital to protect data in transit. SSL or TLS is the standard for encrypting data during transmission, and it prevents the eavesdropping and man-in-the-middle attack. Certificate pinning ensures that the app only communicates with the trusted servers, reducing the risk of malicious server impersonation. Next one is using permissions. In the first, we should discuss about the permissions overview. Apps permissions are crucial for the user privacy and security. It's important to request only the permissions that your app is genuinely required. Over requesting permissions can lead to users becoming distrustful and may even result in app uninstallation. So we should give the permissions in the less. And the next one is best practices. To ensure a positive user experience, follow the principle of least privilege, which means requesting only the permissions necessary for your app's core functionality. Additionally, review your app permission requirement to ensure they remain relevant and aligned with the user expectations. Requesting and handling permissions. When requesting permissions, your app should provide clear and concise explanation of why each permission is needed. Handling cases where users deny permission requests is important, and you can help educate other users about the implications of granting or denying permissions to help them make informed decisions. And the next one is the designing for performance. First of all, let's discuss about the user-centered performance. Balancing aesthetics and performance is crucial. While a visually appealing app is essential, users value speed and responsiveness. A slow app can drive users away. So we should make the app a very speedy app and also a responsive. Strive to optimize performance while maintaining an attractive design. And the next thing is image and media optimization. Image and media files can significantly impact an app performance. Optimize images by compressing and resizing them without compromising the quality. Implement lazy OD images to when they are needed, reducing initial load times and conserving bandwidth. UI or UX design consideration. UI or UX design elements such as complex animations and excess graphical effects can slow down your app. To reduce the UI lag and junk, focus on efficient resource management and follow design guidelines that prioritize a smooth user experience. These were the references I used in this seminar. Thank you everybody for taking your valuable time for listening to my seminar. Thank you.